Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Computer Science for All. Well, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is not a sponsored video, but yes, this is something that I have taken for my son who is about 2 years old. As you all know that due to COVID, we all are not able to send our kids to play schools and daycares. So I just tried to take something for my son, and that is Flinto class at home. I have taken a subscription of 3 months for him so that I can just take a overview how they are working, and then I can continue in features. So I'll be starting with unboxing of the first box that they have given. Basically, if you take subscription of 3 months, you will be getting 3 boxes, and wherein you will be having a theme of every month. And let's take a look.
Okay guys, so let's see. I have already opened this box. Let's go through what all things are there in this. You can see as the theme is already mentioned here at the top of the box. This is a box one that I have ordered for my son, and the box comes with the activity books. You can see here, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 activity books हैं, and there are some activities according to the days, right? Let me just show you. I have already opened this box once. So इसके अंदर हमारे पास एक और activity book है, and then we have this booklet. This is the entire overview of what all things we'll be doing. So there are 12 days of activities in a month, and there are pre-recorded sessions also which are available. But there is one thing that I want to tell you is when I purchased this box, they did not tell me this thing. I was actually not aware that there are like days, proper days of classes. So there are different batches every month, and there are fixed classes. For my son, my first class will be starting on 2nd of December 2020. So like they have batches, and they have classes, I think twice or thrice a week, that I'll be telling you in the next session. So this is the entire overview of what all things the child will be doing this month, right? And you can see there is one more material list here. So here's the material list. What all material will be required for the different days, right? And then you can see, let me just take it out. This is the another booklet, and you can see there is a acacia, and there is a color box which will be required during the activities. And this is one bonus bag here. Bonus bag, I'm not aware of where we will be using. Soon I'll be making day wise video also when I'll be doing this with my son. And for example, there are different days of activity. Like this is day 1. The activities are packed in packets. You can see this is day 11, and you can see different activities. Like day 3 is clay, and they have some molds also given with this is day 4. Okay, this is day 2. So you can see it's very easy for you also, to do the activity with the kids. And the best thing is that the material, everything is provided, because whenever you go to the market, for example, you want a clay, that you have to buy a clay box, or you want paints, then you have to buy the entire box. But see, if red color paints are required, so they are provided only these 3 colors of paints for the first month. So you do not need to go to the market and purchase the entire thing. See, this is day 9, so stickers are given. Then this is day 10 activity. Then they have given a yarn activities also there, that I'll be sharing in the next few videos. Let's see, this is also one of the activity. I like this one. This is day 5. So I'll be discussing more about the different activities and how they conduct the activities in my next video. Right now I can show you one more thing. I think I can show you my parent dashboard. Just give me a moment. So see, this is my parent dashboard, and you can see there are recorded sessions that you can watch anytime. So when you go to see, I have purchased a 3-month subscription, so you can see 3 options here. So the first month, as I opened the box right now, going to the market, so you can see they have classes which is there on 2nd of December, then 4 December, then 7 December. So these session, you can just go through the sessions and then do the activities. When I'll be doing the activity, surely I'll be uploading the video and I'll be sharing the feedback with you. But yes, these activity, once this unlocks, then you can watch any time. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर 11 बजे अनलॉक हुआ है तो आप 11 बजे ही देख सकते हो. आप कभी भी आप एक्टिविटी करा सकते हो अपने बच्चों को. सो वेल, दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो अबाउट फ्लिंटो क्लास. आई विल बी शेयरिंग माई एक्सपीरियंस when I will be doing the activities with my kid. So I hope this will help you to analyze how the Flinto thing works. And you can also see there are some my son is around now. He's let me tell you, I have bought this for my 2-year-old son. He'll be around 2, and they also give certificate and development report. Then they have a story time wherein you can find some stories. And what else, there's a orientation, there's a classroom. You can see orientation day is like 13 days, 14 hours. First there is orientation and then the classes will start. So it is like a school program basically. Now you can see classroom mein, if I go to the classroom, they will see keep a 1-day bag ready, which required a journal, book, messy mat and apron. And these paints are required. So these are the things that you can see on the dashboard. So I hope this video will help you all to know more about Flinto. And I'll be sharing the day wise video when I'll be doing the activities with my kid. Okay, so thank you so much all. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much.